In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Airtable interface. By the end, you'll have a clean, purpose-built interface connected to your base, perfect for guiding teammates or stakeholders through your data without exposing the complexity behind the scenes. Start by opening your base in Airtable and looking for the Interfaces option in the main navigation. It typically appears alongside your views and other tools. Think of interfaces as the front door to your data. Instead of scrolling through raw tables, you create a tailored experience that spotlights exactly what matters. Click Interfaces to enter the interface workspace. On the left side, choose New Interface. This starts a guided setup that keeps things simple. You're creating a new space that will sit on top of your existing data, so nothing in your base gets changed here. You're just deciding how people will see and interact with it. Next, customize the interface name and icon. Pick a name that clearly communicates the purpose, like Sales Pipeline, Content Calendar, or Support Dashboard. Choose an icon and color that will help users recognize it quickly in a list. This may feel small, but good naming and visuals make onboarding smoother, especially if your workspace has several interfaces. When you're happy with the name and look, continue to the next screen. You'll now see the available layout options. Each layout is designed for a different job. For example, a dashboard-style layout is great for charts and KPIs. A record review layout is helpful when people need to step through items one at a time. And a table or gallery-focused layout works well for browsing collections of records. As you preview, imagine who will use this and what they need to accomplish in as few clicks as possible. Select the layout that best fits your workflow, then proceed. After choosing your layout, move forward by clicking Next. Airtable will confirm your selection and prepare the final setup step. Now choose the table you want to connect. This is the data source that powers your interface. If your base has multiple tables, pick the one that directly supports the task at hand, the table containing the records your audience needs to view or update. If there's a primary table that links to others, start with that. Confirm the choice, then click Finish. You've created your interface foundation. From here, you can refine components, adjust visibility, and polish the experience, but the core setup is complete. Great work getting your Airtable interface up and running.